up, guys? We out here, hike right here in the Angeles Forest. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. So much green. So yeah, we're hiking Strawberry Peak today. Alright, update you guys in a bit.
Freestyle instead of walking.
Bruh, you should. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it makes you
Once we don't have any.
no mic today, guys, because what's that? So that's the real peak. So the real peak is up there.
The one that looks like a strawberry.
They all look like strawberries. I don't think I've ever been this high up before. The oxygen is crazy. Maybe like a quarter mile at a time. I live my life a quarter mile at a time, but if you've never done altitude hike like this before, like me, you might need a couple breaks once you get up here, because it is worth it, because the view is amazing too. You got some fun with it?
I'm not coming for a drive.
Yeah, we finished up the hike. That was crazy. 7-8 miles, but the sun feels nice, huh? Alright, let's go. Well, let's go then. Let's get out of here so we can go get some hydration and charge your freaking car, bro. Freaking Tesla.